Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming you're inside the repository and noting whether you have uncommitted work. Once done, fetch origin so your local view of remote branches is current. Then list branches to decide which branch to switch to or whether to create one. If you have uncommitted changes, either commit or stash them now. This prevents conflicts when you switch. Finally, prepare the branch name and intention before executing the checkout command. Now you switch safely. If you had local edits, stash them so the working tree is clean. To create and switch in one step, use git checkout bfeature/name. To switch to an existing remote branch, fetch then git checkout branch name or git checkout track origin/branch name. Make sure to set the upstream if needed so pushes and pulls target the correct remote. Once checked out, run git pull to bring the branch up to date before you start editing. Finally, verify that you're on the intended branch and that the commit history looks right. If you created a new branch, push it with git push origin branch name to set the upstream and publish your work. If you switched for a task, make your commits, then push. If a merge or rebase surfaces conflicts, git status tells you which files need attention. Resolve them, git add the fixed files and commit, then continue the operation. Troubleshooting tip: if things hang, run git reflog to recover lost states.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.